Hi guys, so we are at Brewery Lane level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. No bang. There we go. Time is 16:51 on Friday the 29th of July 2016, and this is for your 16 hang on, I need to come off the time. Here we go. This will be for your 16:54 2 kilo 60 East Midlands train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central. This crossing is proper small. Look how small the road is. Look how small the crossing is. That would be pretty good for Nathan on tripod. He wouldn't get. I don't think he'd get bothered around here because there's barely any traffic for a start. So if he did a tripod in the middle of the road, I reckon he probably wouldn't have to move at all. Plus the barriers are quite small too. I could have got 2 shots here, but I missed one. 153376. Thank you. 153376 to Lincoln via Sleaford. Thanks for the nice tone, and up they go. That's guys, next video.